Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can reset Redmi Buds free Lite. Okay, so first of all we have to input them to the charging case. And right now on the earbuds we can find these touch control panels, and we have to click and hold them together for 5 seconds, then release and wait until this indicators blinks for the 3 times at the same time. So let's click and hold this touch control panel for 5 seconds right now. Try to don't cover these indicators. Click and hold for a while, and I guess it's time to remove fingers from these buttons. As you can see right now they blinks. When we take them out of this case, they will be moved to the pairing mode. As you can see right now they are blinking. And when we turn on and turn off Bluetooth on our device, as you can see we are not connected anymore. There's old connection before the reset, so right now we can pair them one more time, and that's how we can perform the hard reset of this device. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.